Hello friends, I'm Dr. Vivek and today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and today's topic is power of consistency. Yes dear friends, today's topic is power of consistency, on which I am going to talk about with you. Power of consistency is important phenomena that we have to understand, and how we can grow, how we can understand it, that on this topic I'm going to discuss. I want to go through some quotations, very important quotations in life, through which you can understand the power of consistency. The first is, success comes through consistency, you are to wait till it comes. Yes dear friends, it is success comes only through consistency. It is not a one-day process or two-day process. It is a continuous process, and it is success it depends on the time when it comes, but we have to be consistent to get success, and we have to wait for this success, and consistently we have to work on. Second is, success becomes beauty, and as Keats said, a thing of beauty is joy forever. Yes dear friends, it becomes beauty when the result of this consistency becomes beauty, and it will remain forever in your life. It becomes beauty, and beauty gives pleasure every time. So the result of consistency is beauty. Third one is, we become what we want to be by consistency. Yes dear friends, whatever you want to become in life, it depends on the consistent efforts you do in your life. If you are consistently doing, you can become whatever you want to become in life. Yes dear friends. Next is, every great idea starts with small consistent steps. Every great idea, the personalities, the great success the people have achieved, that started from a very tiny idea and with consistent steps. Yes dear friends. Next is, consistency is more important than perfection. Never go for perfection. If you really want to get perfection, in the sense, you have to be consistent. Go for consistent efforts, the perfection will come automatically. Now I want to share with you the story of Marwan Atapattu. As you might have heard about Marwan Atapattu, he was the captain of Sri Lankan team. The story of Marwan Atapattu is a perfect example of consistency. He used to play in county cricket, and when he was scoring good, he came to the national team, national Sri Lankan team, and in this process, in the test match, in first or second matches, he made zero. He scored zero, and then again went to county cricket. He played very well, and after 2-3 years, when he again selected in the national Sri Lankan team, and in the first 2 matches, in the test matches, he scored zero. Again he scored zero, and he was out from the national team. Then again he played for 2 to 3 years the county cricket, and he scored very well in the county. On that basis, again third time he was selected for the national Sri Lankan team, and the third time as well he made zero in the first 2 innings. Then he was out from the national team, and he again went to the county and he scored very well. On that basis, again the 4th time he was selected, and this time he scored double century. He made many double centuries, and at the end he was made the captain of Sri Lankan team. So this example is a very perfect example of consistency, the consistent effort through which you can get whatever you want to achieve in life. Had he not been consistent, he would not have achieved the success in his life. So be consistent in your life, dear friends, and have achieve whatever you want to achieve in life. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you so much, and be consistent in your life. Thank you so much.